Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Anya Swami and today we are going to be covering the topic of seamanship, that is anchor. So first of all हमें पता होना चाहिए कि anchor की क्या क्या parts होते हैं, what all is there. We are going to use this diagram as reference. First of all we have हमारी anchor ring. So this is the anchor ring over here, if you can see, जहाँ से whatever rope जो है that can be attached easily and that provides us with basically movement and mobility and control over the anchor. ठीक है, so that was हमारी anchor ring. Now we have anchor shackle. ठीक है, so we have anchor shackle which is present again around this area only, that basically provides us again with control over the anchor. That is the anchor shackle. Then we have the shank. This here, as you can see, this region is the shank. ठीक है, that is again provides support to the anchor. That is what is shank. Then we have हमारा fluke. Okay, so we talk about shank, now we are talking about fluke. Fluke is this region right here. Okay, usually हम जो anchors, there are अलग-अलग type के anchors, but we are going to see with reference to this anchor, this part here जो हमारा support के लिए provide होता है, this region is known as the fluke. ठीक है, and then we have after this we talk about the P or bill. ठीक है, या तो इसे P बोल सकते हो या you can call it a bill. What is that? This tip region is known as the P or bill. Here it says that this has a 35-degree का angle that is present. ठीक है, and this we are going to see, this is the tripping palm here. Tripping palm जो है that provides support, and the most stable, most heavy part here is the crown, that is the bottommost area of the anchor. ठीक है, that is known as after crown. Okay, so that was that. Now we're moving on further. Now purpose of anchor क्या होता है? Anchor का काम क्या होता है? Now anchor is a hook that is attached to the length of chain or rope called cable. Cable क्या हो सकता है? Cable आपका chain हो सकती है, rope हो सकती है. Okay, so we can have this as a chain also. We can have this as a rope also. Okay. Now we have by which a ship or a boat can be held temporarily at the seabed in comparatively shallow waters. Deep waters में क्योंकि it is very further down, so हमारी cable की भी एक particular limit हो सकती है of length. ठीक है, एक particular limit होती है length की कि after this इतना लंबा हम नहीं कर सकते कि वो ship को control कर पाए. So it is very necessary for us to know कि this is only possible for comparatively shallow waters. ठीक है. Now we are going to talk about the different types of anchor. We have Admiralty pattern anchor, Admiralty standard stockless, Admiralty class AC 12 and 14, AC 16A and 17, stock close stowing Danforth, Chatham quick release CQR. Okay, so we are going to also send a picture, and you can see the pictures. We are going to put it on the screen here, and you can see how all of these look like. Okay. The next thing that we are going to move to is we are going to talk about holding the ground. Okay, so now the sequence of anchor holding the ground is as follows. कि अब क्या क्या what is the procedure followed to bed the anchor into the ground, into the seabed ताकि it stays there. Okay, so we have यहाँ पे an anchor reaches or lies at the seabed. So first of all जब हम anchor release करते हैं वो जाकर नीचे seabed पर रुक जाता है. Then उससे क्या होता है? Strain comes on the cable. Strain क्या होता है? Strain is basically बहुत easy भाषा में अगर हम explain करें, so जैसे अगर मेरी rope है for example ऐसे, अगर मैं इस पे कोई भी load लगा देती हूँ, so now that means अगर for example ये मेरी rope थी original length की, जब मैंने इस पे ये load लगाया, so what happens to this is it gets stretched, right? तो ये जो जितना यहाँ पे difference आया, जितना ये वाला difference था बीच का, this is known as the strain. Strain is practically what? Strain is practically the change in length. So जो change in length आया वो cable में change in length एक particular आएगा. That is what it is talking about. The anchor lies flat on the bottom till pulled off the ship onto the cable, and अब क्या होता है? Drags the anchor along the bottom. अब क्या होता है? जैसे for example यहाँ पे ये seabed अगर हम consider करते हैं, हमने ऊपर से anchor को अपना throw किया, so now it is lying on it. अभी तक वो मतलब ऐसे ही हिल सकता है, it is not stuck to it. तो अब क्या होता है जब हम शिप को आगे पीछे जब मूव करते हैं, so because the anchor, how does the anchor look like? अगर हम देखें the anchor looks something like this, जो भी हमने देखा था, right? So अब क्या होता है कि जब हम उसको ऐसे ऐसे शिफ्ट करते हैं साइड पे, तो now this area जो है that gets locked because अब water जब नीचे हम देखते हैं तो वहाँ पे the sea is damp, और मतलब जो soil होगा that will be damp. Okay, because of the sea. So now वहाँ पे बहुत soft soil है which is why जब हम उसको hover करते हैं in the ground over the seabed, ये वाला part जो है they get locked into the sea, ठीक है, and that is what happens. And then we have, now what happens is the tripping palms. Tripping palms हमने देखे थे साइड में उसके थे. The tripping palms then till the flukes which then dig themselves into the seabed. So ये हमने देखा था, this was the fluke, so it digs themselves in the seabed. And after a certain amount of dragging, the anchor embeds itself completely and holds the ship in the position. That is what I think I was able to explain here using this diagram. And that is what how the anchor जो है that is able to first stick itself into the ground and hold the ship in that particular position. And that is what this is about. That was all we need to know about an anchor. I hope it was clear. If you have any problems, any queries, you can let us know in the comment section below. That was it. Thank you and Jai Hind.